we have two equation. One, x square plus y square equals to 25 and 2x plus y equals 5. So first, what can we do? We can write like here 2x plus y equal 5. We can write this y equal 5 minus 2x. Okay, again x square plus y square equal 25. This y equal 5 minus 2x we can put here. So x square plus 5 minus 2x square equals 25. Look, this equation has two variables. One is x and y, but now one variable which is x. So we can write x square plus, based on a minus b whole square theory, we can write a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here is 5 square minus 2 into 5 into 2x plus 2x square equals 25. Okay, now look, here is x square plus 25 minus 20x plus 4x square, and this 25 we can place here, minus 25 now equals 0. So what can we do? Here is x square, here is 4x square. We can write 5x square, and here is plus 25 and here is minus 25. We can omit. So here is minus 20x and this is equals to 0. Now look, if we take common 5x, we can get x minus 4 equal 0. So here is two value of x. One is, so 5x equals 0, x equals 0, or x minus 4 equals 0, so x equal 4. So we get two answers, 0 and 4. Now we put this value, we can mention this one earlier like equation 1. So x equals 0 or 4 put into equation 1. So what can we get? Y equal, here is 5 minus 2x. So 5 minus 2 into 0, it means 5. Okay, again y equal 5 minus 2x. Here is when x equal 0, and when x equal 4, 5 minus 2 into 4, so 5 minus 8 equals to minus 3. That time x was 4. Okay, so what y 5 or minus 3. So what will be our answer? X comma y equal, when x equal 0, y equal 5, 0, 5, or when x equal 4, y equal minus 3, 4 and y minus 3. Okay, thank you very much. Very simple math, but day by day we'll insert hard position. So thanks for being with me. Don't forget subscribe the channel. Here is another simple equation. We try to solve it. Here is 4 into 2x minus 5 minus 1 equals to 3x plus 7. So what can we do? We can write, here is 2x, so 8x minus 20, just we multiply by 4, 2x minus 5, and here is minus 1, and here is equal to 3x plus 7. Okay, look, here is 8x, and these 3x exchange left side, so it will become minus 3x equals, here is minus 20 and minus 1, it will combine become minus 21 once you exchange right side. So we can write here 7 plus 21. Okay, now look, this one become 5x, and here is 7 plus 21, it means 28. So what can we do? X equal 28 divide 5, so answer is 5.6. This is very simple math, but marks 1 or MCQ, maybe you face these kinds of easy equation. Thank you very much.